Imagine making over $200,000 every year, not by pushing harder, not by closing deals aggressively, but by sending a simple card that just said 3 words: I like you. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what one car salesman did, and it made him one of the highest paid in the world. This isn't luck. It's not magic. It's psychology. Today, we're going to break down one of the most powerful influence principles: reciprocity. Let me tell you the story of Joe Girard. Joe wasn't just any car salesman. He actually listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's greatest salesman. Every Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, practically every occasion you could think of, Joe would send a card to thousands of his clients. And the message inside? Not a sales pitch, not a discount, not a reminder about the latest car model. Just a handwritten line that said, I like you. That's it. People opened their mail, saw Joe's card, and thought, wow, he remembered me. He actually cares. So when it came time to buy a car, guess who they went back to? Joe. Year after year, Joe sold more cars than entire dealerships. At his peak, he was making over $200,000 a year in commission, and this was back in the 1970s. Adjusted for today, that's well over $1 million a year. And it all started with one principle. If you make people feel seen and valued, they feel compelled to return the favor. Now, maybe you're thinking, okay, but I'm not a car dealer. So let's bring it closer to your life. Picture this. You walk into Starbucks. Someone behind the counter hands you a tiny cup of a new latte. Free sample. You sip it. It's warm, tasty, and suddenly you feel this little nudge inside. I should probably buy something. That free sample wasn't random, it was a trigger. A tiny act of generosity that flipped on the psychology of reciprocity. Now, here's the lesson. Humans are wired to return favors. It doesn't matter if it's a card, a compliment, or a free sample. When someone gives us something, we feel this almost invisible pressure to give back. And that pressure is so strong that entire industries are built on it. But here's the catch. Reciprocity only works if it feels genuine. Fake generosity, where it's clear you only give to get something, will backfire. People can smell manipulation a mile away. So, how can you use this? Let's break it down. In business, if you're a freelancer, give a free resource, a quick audit, or a valuable tip. If you're in sales, share knowledge or connections without asking for anything. If you run a store, free samples, free trial, bonus gifts. When you give first, people feel naturally inclined to work with you. In friendships, compliment someone. Offer help when they're stressed. Give your time, not just when it's convenient for you. When you pour into people, they remember it. They mirror that same energy back to you. In relationships, even small things matter. Surprising your partner with their favorite snack, leaving a note, showing appreciation. It's not about keeping score. It's about creating a cycle of giving and receiving that deepens the bond. So next time you feel a bit unprogressive, remember Joe Girard, the man who sold more cars than anyone else in history. He didn't do it by being pushy. He did it by sending thousands of little reminders. I like you. Reciprocity is one of the most powerful forces in human behavior. And the more you learn how to use it, with honesty, with generosity, and with real care, the more influence you'll naturally build in every area of your life. Now, if you found this breakdown helpful, imagine having a lab where we study all the hidden ways the mind works and how influence shapes your daily choices. That's exactly what this channel is all about. So hit subscribe to Mind and Influence Lab because the next time someone tries to use psychology on you, you'll see it coming a mile away.